Hello everyone, welcome to Bugema University. This is the School of Computing and Informatics, and by the way, my name is Gael Kaindo, and I'm the president of IT Club. So, as you can see here, students, they are presenting their projects on in the machine. They are presenting to people of what we are doing in IT Club and what the School of Computing is doing here in Bugema University.
So we create this kind of workshops to expose them, even non-other IT students. For example, love to see them. What if they're talking, not to me a lecturer, but they're talking to a customer who has got something that probably they think the customer can consume. Love to see how do they explain their concept to that person. So today we are privileged to have you with some of the projects that we have on board. And beyond this, we are still partnering with other partners outside who are again go ahead and grill these projects. We want them to put these projects to test, such that at the end of the day, we get at least a project or two that are deployed and consumed. So this is a chain that continues. After the visit, we've been having simple assessment sheets to give our visitors, and then they assess the people that they visited. So we're going to take a look at these tables, and these are students, none of them are lecturers. They're expressing what they feel has caught their attention during the course of their time.
So, is it part of your assessment to them, or is it part of your assessment?
Well, it's part of the assessment in terms of how they engage with the community and other people around them. Yeah. So we are most
privileged. We have about 15 minutes. So take note.
So in Adobe Illustrator, there are quite a lot of things that we can come up with or we can design. An example of the few things that we can design is mobile applications. Just the interface of how we want an application to look like. An example of WhatsApp or Facebook. So the people that designed that, they came up first with an interface how it should look like before they came up to program how it should work. So you can do that. Apart from that, there are things that you can come up with like, as websites. even the different sizes, the way the website looks on the screen and the way you can see it on the phone are quite different. So you can come up with different designs. Apart from that, there's a printing section where you come up with various designs such as banners, posters, logos, just to name a few. So currently I was working on a sticker, just like this one for Renzori, but with it is just for activated charcoal. One of our students is having that project, so it's the one that I'm working for. Apart from this sticker, I've also worked on some of the things for the university, such as a banner. Yeah, it's currently posted at One Day Game. So this is how it looks after it's been designed. So this is just a sample of a banner. So with that program, you can come up with a lot of things, such as business cards. This is how a business card looks like. Apart from that, you can come up with an invoice. Apart from invoice, you can do the receipts. Apart from receipts, you can come up with tickets for different events. Apart from those few things, you can come up with different designs of the t-shirts. So this is how it looks like, just the front part. But you can, apart from that, there are certificates that you can design using that program.
So with this QR code, the project I've worked upon, it helps to hide information of personal information in a QR code. Especially this time we are living in, we have hackers around, and it is also easy to share information amongst ourselves just using the QR code. So I can try to run it here. Here, when I run it, it asks first the name. Maybe enter the name. I can use any of the names.
Kigora.
Kigora.
K-I-K-O.
K-O.
R-A.
R-A. Then the other name?
S-E-T-H.
S-E-T-H. Okay. Then number?
Plus 0779.
0779.
79.
79 again.
37.
37.
I think 37.
37. Okay, 37.
46.
46. Okay, your email?
Kikora.
Okay. Okay, Ara. I can put the one I do, which is computer networking. Then from there, it asks maybe the year of study, which is we can put 2. Then it says successfully generates. Then when you see here, it generates an image in PNG format. Let me here. So this one, when we scan it, we can get the information we have provided. I don't know if anyone has any QR code in their phones. Yes, try to scan it. With others also you can try. Okay, you try it as she is also trying. You can also try.
Yes.
Details are there.
Name is
Number that, email that, date of birth, gender male, Bugema University course, and the year. Immediately.
Yeah, I can see it.
Yes. So that one helps in hiding information, especially.
You don't have to scan.
Thank you.
My hospital mainly is called Bugema Hospital because it is electronic, and its main reason or its main emphasis is to make sure someone does not waste time when you go to the hospital there. Normally when you go without having appointments, you have to wait and sit and wait for the long lines you find in the hospitals. But now this website is going to be helping someone who needs to get direct access to the doctors without waiting. You just book an appointment with the doctors and say at 11 o'clock I want to see Dr. so and so, maybe Dr. Steve, because I'm having this problem, and therefore Dr. Steve the other side will see your notification and will approve it and will say you have an appointment. It is it has also this part of the hospital of the hospitals that are, in case Bugema Hospital is collaborating with other hospitals around, and me as a sick person, I am not around Bugema, or me as a student, I'm not around Bugema, I'm around Jake. in Busika, but then I don't have money, but I have an ID because that is what we use here. I can say maybe I can click on Jake, I book an appointment with Jake, and then Jake can sort out its issues with Bugema because they are collaborating, and then I'm booking through Bugema. And then my project also has a part of doctors. It is showing the available doctors in our hospital. In case I have a problem with my tooth, am I able to get assistance? Yes, I can see that we have dentists.